okay?
I am so sorry.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Oh, what is wrong with you? What? Have you been sent to kill us? Look, go back and tell your senders you have failed, okay? Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Look, I'm truly sorry, okay? I got distracted by my phone. I wasn't looking.
Did you hear that? You got distracted by your phone. Were you not taught in the driving school not to look on your phone when you're driving? Were you not taught?
I was taught, but I just apologized to you. I'm sorry.
I'm not apologized.
Look, gentlemen, we are okay. Okay, we're just fine. You can go.
Akosia,
Thank
we.
you.
Would you stop that, okay? What's the meaning of we? You are who? If you're okay, I am not okay. Do you know what would have happened if you'd have hit us by the car? Do you know what would have happened?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay?
Look, we're perfectly fine, as you can see.
Stop saying we.
Nothing happened.
What? Something happened. Let him know what he did wasn't right.
I'm sorry.
And next time, concentrate.
I will. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Please.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
You have to stop that. Stop that. Stop that.
Thank God nothing happened.
Do you know what would have happened?
It's okay.
You have to let someone know when the person is wrong. Let the person know the person is wrong. When this... Oh, I like it myself. Nonsense. You should stop that. You should stop that. We are okay. You are who are okay. I won't even go again. Take me back home. Take me back home. Take me back. We are okay. What is we? We are okay.
Hi. Hello. I'm sorry to bother you, but you look familiar. Have we met before?
Yes, we have.
Oh,
On a bad note.
on a bad note? Oh, that's not good. Wait, hold on. I remember you now. You and your crazy sister. Where is she?
Well, she went to the restroom.
Oh, okay. All right. Ah, there she is. Hello.
Oh, you're here to finish us, right?
What? What are you talking about?
Are you stalking us?
Why would I be stalking you? I just came to get lunch.
I'm so sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm coming back. Nice to meet you. Sorry.
Take care. Yeah.
What? You forgive so easily. Stop. What is he doing here? How did he know me? I don't know. It's just coincidence. Did you even have to talk to him?
Do you need help?
I don't need it. In fact, I don't even want to eat it. Let's go. What? Stop.
Come in, please.
I said, let's go. I don't want to eat. You said you were hungry. I'm not hungry again.
I love the way you move your body, baby, how it goes. Never stop it, just put it on me, yo. The way you wanna slow, like never seen before. The way you
Hey.
shake your booty, that make me go.
Hi.
You again?
Yes, it's me again. I see you alone today.
Yes, I am.
Do you live in the estate?
Yes, we moved in not too long ago.
Oh, that's nice. Can we text later if you don't mind? Huh?
I don't remember giving you my number.
I know. Just put your number here. I promise I'm not going to bother you, okay? Thank you.
I'll take your wife.
Please do.
There you go.
Okay. Thank you.
Now can I go?
Yeah, I'll see you around. Okay?
Alright.
Okay.
Move your body, baby, how it goes. Never stop it, just boot it on me, yo. The way you wanna slow, like never seen before. The way you shake your booty, they make me go crazy. Shawty, I wanna rock tonight, wanna rock tonight, wanna rock tonight, wanna rock tonight. Shawty, I wanna rock tonight, wanna rock tonight, wanna rock tonight, wanna rock tonight. Yeah, good morning, it's good you yawning. Thank you for last night, the feeling was so tight. I promise on my honor, I'ma have you in my corner. You look so fresh, and I wanna draw your sketch. Sweet Queen Leah, I'm happy that I've seen ya. Let's move to New Jersey, let's deliver the message. Let's put the love chain around the world and have some fun. I love the way you mention me. The shawty wanna ride, anytime she's with me, she goes on blind. Anytime I get in, you know I ain't tripping, baby. You know I ain't tripping, cause I wanna ride tonight, baby. You know that song. Even though she call me, baby, tell me if you really want it. I'ma give it to you, baby. Tell me if you really need it. Shawty, shawty, baby.
Hi, sis.
Where are you going? You're looking so good.
Thank you. Well, I'm going for my driving lessons.
Driving lessons.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't tell me you've registered with any driving school, so...
Well, I know you're not going to like this, but remember Kwame?
Kwame. Who is
The guy
Kwame?
we had an incident with.
Uh-huh.
Well, he's offered to take me through the lessons.
You are joking.
I'm not.
The guy that wanted to finish us. You're going on a driving lessons with him. Look, are you listening to yourself?
MFA. Be positive. Be optimistic in life. Nothing will happen, okay?
Akosia, please. No. No. You know I won't allow this. Please.
Nothing. I mean, there's no strings attached. I'm just going for the lessons. I'll be late.
Look,
We've
you are
scheduled.
not safe.
I'll be late.
Akosia, you are not safe.
I'll be fine.
You're finally
See
going for
you.
the guy to finish you. Look,
Nothing will happen.
let's get a driving school. Let's get a driving
I
school.
can't see. He's offered already. No, see you later.
Are you-
Bye, bye.
Oh, so you're serious?
I'm serious.
Akosia! Just like that.
You know, it's a good thing that you want to learn how to drive. There are 3 things that you need to have in mind. 1, you have to be very confident. 2, always make sure that you have your 2 hands on the steering.
Okay.
And 3, you have to be very, very vigilant. In the sense that you don't drive just for yourself. You drive for everyone else around you, because you might be careful, but not everyone is as careful as you.
Makes sense.
Good. And then we have 2 pedals right here. One is to accelerate, and then the other one is to brake.
Which one is
The
the
one
accelerator?
on the right.
The one on the right.
Yes, and then the one
On the left
on
is
the
the
left
brake.
is the brake. P here means park, R reverse, and neutral, D drive. Okay, so now it's on D. That's why we're moving. So I'm gonna just watch me, drive a little bit. After a while, we're going to switch places.
What?
You're going to be behind the wheel, and I'll just sit and teach you how to go about it.
That's easy.
I trust you. I know you're gonna get it.
You do?
Yeah. You will. Very sure.
Okay. Try.
That's good. So, accelerate, brake.
Let's keep going.
Yeah.
Right. The steering control is going to be my problem. But I'll try.
I'm here to help you.
Okay. Thank you. Right here?
Right, yeah. Okay, it's time to switch.
Are you sure about this?
I am very sure. Let's go.
Okay.
We gotta put on our seatbelts right now.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, you need to buckle up for safety.
Right.
The legs on the brake.
Yeah.
Was that on the brake?
It's on it.
Okay. And then since we're moving forward, put it on drive.
Drive so.
Good.
Oh, okay, that's it.
Yeah, it shows on the. Yeah. Okay. So you have to look on your right to see if it's free for you to go on the street.
There's no car coming.
Okay. You have to indicate. Yeah.
Oh, okay. How?
Press it down.
Down.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So,
Keep looking. The cars are coming. Don't be looking at me.
okay, so
Mm-hmm.
are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So
2 hands on the steering. Don't forget
oh,
that.
right.
Yes.
Okay. So should my someone's coming.
You have to go. You can't just stop.
Is it coming? Okay. It's still on
This
the
way.
brake.
Yeah.
And then
Mm-hmm.
okay, so I should change it to
No, you're not changing. Just keep confident. You like speeding?
not really yet.
Let me just put on the door pointer so they'll know
Okay,
this.
sure. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
So should I go
Yeah,
slowly?
keep going. Slowly. No, you're doing a good job,
It's
actually.
exciting.
Exciting?
Yeah.
Yeah. I know. You can move fast a little bit.
Really?
A little bit.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, it's coming. I can go. Wait, hold on, wait. Right. I missed
Yeah,
it.
accelerate, yeah.
I missed it. Okay. Oh my god.
Did you step on the brakes?
I was looking at you. Sorry.
Okay, let me just hold on to this because we're going in for a
No,
ride.
Not under my watch. Nothing will happen to you.
Okay.
Oh, but this is exciting.
You like it,
though.
right?
Okay.
Yeah, there's a bump in front of you, so you need to
Okay,
slow
so
down.
that's the bump.
Yeah.
So is it the sign?
Yeah,
That shows.
sure. There's a bump on the road.
Okay.
Trust me, you're going to love this place.
Really?
Yes.
I can imagine. It looks like a beautiful place.
Yeah, look at the view. Don't you see
I
that?
love nature, you know?
I know.
It's beautiful. I love this. Okay. An adventure. Let's go.
Adventure time.
Let's go. Let's do this.
What?
My sister.
Huh?
I'm a fan.
I know.
Should I?
Yeah, she's your sister, so.
Okay. Hello?
Akosia,
What?
you know what? I am just not comfortable with this whole driving thing, you know.
She said, calm down. Calm down. I'm fine. In fact, I'll be fine.
Can you please just send me your location?
Why? Why do you want to know?
In case of anything, I will need it.
Why? I said I'll be fine. I can take care of myself.
I need it, just in case.
Okay. All right. I'll send it. I'll do that.
Okay. I'm waiting. Thank you. Bye.
What does she want?
She's worried and she just wants to be sure that I'm safe.
Okay, you're safe. So
Yes,
what
I told
else?
her. She said I should send her my location.
Your location.
Yes.
I hope she's not coming here.
No, she's not.
She better not to, because that your sister, she's crazy.
She's not coming. She just, she just wants to know where I am.
Okay, no problem.
Point in time. Okay, so yeah.
As long as she's not coming here.
She's not. Why are you scared of her?
She scares the hell out of me. Have you seen your sister?
Listen, MFI is a very pleasant person. Okay?
Oh,
you
no.
should get to know her. I'm serious.
Get to know who?
MFI,
Count me out.
you will love her. What? Hey, I can't wait for that day when you two will be the best of friends.
That is not going to happen.
Hey, never say never.
Oh, I'm saying never right now. Because it's not.
She's a good person, honestly.
Because you're her sister, that's why you think she's a good person. Yeah, but
she is.
not to me. She's like a lioness, like
you send it before.
Yeah,
before I forget.
do that. Look at that.
She's going to skin me
Look at that
like.
view.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. Oh, this is beautiful.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Look at the trees.
I told you.
How did you?
Don't worry.
How did you get to know this
Don't
place?
worry about that.
Tell me about it.
It is my little
Okay, you let me set my
secret.
location first. Then now we can continue how you got this place. On my phone. Wow, this is beautiful.
You like?
I love it. I love it. Now I have my phone.
Okay.
Ever ready? Okay, let's do this. I need a video. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Bam.
There you go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no! Let me get myself.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I need the forest.
Hey, Pega said, what's up? Cool. Darling, I go offer give you. That's nice. How may I help you?
Please, I have a job for you.
Have a job for you.
Yes.
Hey, Alpin! Hello! Come come. You are safe there. You don't have any problem, okay? Your mission.
Yes, sir.
Madam, how can I help you?
Please, I have a job for you. And we have to do it right now, so I'm going to send you the location. I trust you guys to deliver.
This is what we do for living. Now let's talk about money.
Pastor, I want you to finish.
Finish it.
Yes.
Let's talk about money.
Yes, ma'am. How much?
Now let's talk about 1 billion.
100,000 cities.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to send you 50,000 right now. And after a job well done, I might even add up something for you. Don't worry. The most important is the job has to be done.
Yeah, okay.
So just give me your details.
55.
Yeah.
66.
Yeah.
79.
Okay, so 50K cents. Yeah. Please check.
It's fine. Confirm.
So
where's the location?
that same number is on WhatsApp, right?
Yeah.
Please, you have to go now, okay? Okay, have you received it?
Oh yeah, confirm. Okay. So don't worry, okay? Everything will be done.
Thank you.
Okay.
I don't know you.
Consider it done, okay?
You don't know me, okay? We've never met.
Sure.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Well, this is a very lonely road.
Mm-hmm.
No car is going to distract you.
Okay.
So you got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's go.
Okay. But you know, when I finally get my license, you're not sitting in my car.
Really?
Yes, really. Let's go.
Okay.
Maybe just a day. Okay.
You did a good job, I must say.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Very good job.
You did it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, why were you looking at me like that?
Like what?
Like you've seen a ghost?
Well, I was just trying to make sure you're doing a good job with the driving.
Are you sure?
100%.
Okay. I'll consider that as the truth.
It is the truth.
Are you sure? Because that look. Anyway, if you say so. Yeah. Okay. Well, can we take a stroll?
I was waiting for that.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Told you I love nature.
It's been the
Look at the view.
Okay.
Beautiful, right?
Wow.
I must say, I am very, very impressed with your driving.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, driving all the way for like 15 minutes without a mistake. You deserve a reward.
Did you time me?
That was why I was watching you.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. So,
Wow. Okay.
I have something for you. But you have to close your eyes.
Why? What?
Are you going to close your eyes or not?
For driving for 15 minutes?
Women.
What's it?
No, just close your eyes. Just close your eyes.
Oh.
Close your eyes. Are your eyes closed? I said close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, good. Turn around.
Okay. With my eyes closed?
Yes, your eyes still closed.
What is coming?
Can you
God.
lift your hair up a little bit?
My hair?
Yeah, lift it up.
What? Okay. Everything?
Everything.
Alright. Okay. Are we
Okay.
good?
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Okay. What was that?
Never mind. Are your eyes still closed?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's closed.
Okay. There we go. Now you can open your eyes.
Oh my God. What am I feeling?
That is my little gift for you.
How?
What do you mean how? Hmm?
If I'm getting this for driving for 15 minutes and I don't know what I'm going to get if I drive for an hour.
Nothing. That's
No! I love this, by the way. Cheers one more time.
how many times?
Wow, this
Cheers.
place is... This
Cheers.
place is really beautiful.
Well, not as beautiful as...
As what?
Nothing.
Coward.
What? Really?
Anytime you want to say something serious, you checking out.
Do I?
Mm-hmm. Every time. Corey? What's wrong?
Akosia, we've known each other just for a while. And I have grown fond of you. I tell you what, every important memory has you in it. And I don't want to have a future without you. So, I'm going on one knee to ask you to spend the rest of your life with me. Akosia, will you marry me?
Kwame. Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Oh my God, I was actually scared. Akosia! Akosia! Akosia!
Come, run.
Akosia! Akosia!
Annan.
They're after me. They want to kill me. Oh my God, Akosia! Go! Akosia!
Huh? What's so cool?
They're after me.
What?
They shot my fiancée.
Oh!
Yes.
Hey, Messi! When you do idea now, what? Bibi anya. Poma de sa de ti. That is how it is here. So, calm down, okay?
Water.
Open you.
Yes.
Okay.
Thirsty.
Bring you water.
Thank you.
Sorry, I'm coming. Bring you water.
Okay, thank you.
Bring you water. We are very fine.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Don't worry. Don't thank me.
Why would someone want her dead? They shot her right in front of me. Oh my God, Akosia! Go, come. Akosia! Why? Why would they do that?
Don't worry.
She's gone.
Yes, I know. But he's around you.
She's here? Where? Where is she?
Yes, I'm a me. Messi or boy for by. He is protecting you. He is protecting you well. So take your temper.
She was so innocent.
Wow. This is beautiful.
You like?
I love it. I love it. Now, I have my phone.
Okay.
Ever ready? Okay, let's do this. I need a video. Okay? Okay.
She was so pure. But why?
I said it already. I told you, he is protecting you.
You mean she?
She or he.
It's your bro. I don't know that only dear. Not to wash Adriana. Huh? Did you
not
not
hungry. I'm not hungry.
Aden. Did you know what brim?
How do you expect me to eat when I just lost my fiancée? The woman I truly love with everything in me. I can't eat.
You said, Ramon, when you be papa beer a minerals, any biscuit in Quan, and I, or we, to myself, Jadriana Gloria.
How do you know that?
Kanoa, and I too. Some ranty and Baba, the Demopan, Docodoko dear. And one, Tidika crab, Mamma. Ah, Figgy, Boma Mania, what's a DNC, dear potty in the sea? What happened?
We were very happy. It was the happiest we have ever been. I asked her to marry me.
And he said yes.
Yes. She said yes. And that was when she was shot. I tried to save her. I wanted to stay, but she asked me to go. She asked me to run.
It's okay. It's okay. Come on, to him. We are saying, the best CBI. Mamu de ya na modwen said you betimi aya mani pa na ni mani mu ya na ye. Na obi hu say open na odo de e wa akoma ene adwen mu. Ntinya botre.
How do you understand all these things?
I've loved before. I know.
What if she's gone? What if I never get to see her again? What if I don't get to see that beautiful smile on her face?
Then, the last thing she saw was the person she loved.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Any news for me?
Sir, please. We found the victim. And she's Akosia Owusu.
Akosia Owusu. Okay.
Sir, there's no sign of Kwame yet.
His phone battery is dead. I think. He's either running or being chased by something.
You're right, sir.
Dismiss. Thank you, sir.
Look at the view. Beautiful, right?
I keep seeing her in my dreams. The same thing. The same thing that happened. I keep seeing it over and over again.
Don't worry. Ochina, metro kwanya obefa so akọ. Baby I free by. Na say baby free opoma.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll be so grateful if you can do that. Thank you.
Follow me.
I should
Follow me. Amunim epoimu na mo ba mo bre na ya yete ha ne de ye kwan ne tie na me chia okwan da wanim setin ufa sa kwan fo ba kotu nsu kese bi da se wutwa nsuo no a sa kotu dua kese bi ufa dua ne nchen a beto okwan no akọ ofie.
You mean this path right here? That's the one you're talking about? Mommy. 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 Where did she go? Mommy.
Mr. Man, so why were you chasing the man after killing your target?
Oh.
Would you speak up? I said, why were you chasing the man after killing your target?
Officer, he saw our faces, so we needed to take him off.
He saw your faces and you wanted to take him off. Now who sent you? Who sent you? Will you think before I slap you? Who sent you, Mr. Man? Who sent you?
Officer, no one sent me.
Who sent you? Who the hell sent you? Talk, my guy! Hey, who sent you?
Officer,
who sent you?
It's one lady sitting in the wheelchair called MFA.
That's it. I want you to finish.
Finish it.
Yes.
MFA, do you know it's against the law of the state to take someone's life? Do you know that?
Yes. Yes, I know. Yes.
Okay, so why then did you kill your best friend? A sister for that matter? Why would you do that?
Officer, is she the only one that deserves something good? Is she prettier than I am? Oh, is it because I can't walk? Everything goes to her side.
I'm coming back. Nice to meet you. Sorry. No, take care.
Yeah. I can't take it anymore. I can't.
Listen, this is not an excuse for taking someone's life. You don't have any reason to take someone else's life. What is wrong with you?
I am tired. I am tired. I'm tired. Do whatever. Go and kill me. Do it. I don't care. I'm tired.
I can see you are speaking out of frustration.
I don't care.
Get her out of this place.
I am tired. I am tired. Leave me alone. I'm tired.
What? Officer, that is absurd. MFA. That lady did not smile or show any sign of liking me.
Well, that is human beings for you. Humans are unpredictable. You may never know.
Okay, so where is she now?
Where is she now? I believe this is yours. This was found at the scene.
Yes. It belongs to me. Thank you. Sir, did you by any chance find a necklace on her neck?
No. Her neck was empty.
Turn around.
Okay, with my eyes closed?
Yes, your eyes still closed.
What is coming?
Can you
God.
lift your hair up a little bit?
My hair?
Yeah, lift it up.
What? Okay. Everything?
Everything.
Alright. Okay. Are
Okay.
we good?
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Okay. What was that?
Never mind. Are your eyes still closed?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's closed.
Okay. There we go. Now you can open your eyes.
Oh my God, what am I feeling?
That is my little gift for you. Excuse me. You mean this path right here? That's the one you're talking about? Mommy! 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 Akosia. So it was you all along. I'm so sorry. Thank you. Thank you, sir.